Alright, so another update on the future distant. I started a military soldier, and this is kind of my workflow for it. I'll just start from the beginning. So what I basically did was, I've got this templated background now, and I dumped that in there. And then, shadows. I just sketched out kind of a rough idea, the rough pose for it, and I built up my character here. So I'll just kind of pop this in. Oops. And what I basically did was I built my sketch and then I just put in my solid colors. And then I simply just did a quick paint over using the kind of the same tone. And I kind of painted up the boots. And then I did a dark overlay for the skin, and then a undertone, and then my highlights. So that basically created that. And then what I didn't like was, or I added more detail. I added skin for the, um, or beards and wrinkles and things like that in there. Zoom in on this a little bit. And then what I did was pretty much just cloned it over and made some changes. I think I made the face a little bit smaller. I wasn't real happy with the way the face turned out. And then from there, I just started kind of roughing out some base shapes to, you know, put in the outfit that I wanted and kind of change up the character a little bit. And I just dumped in some wooden handles real quick and some real light texturing and stuff like that. And then I started just building up, knives with a little bit of texture. I rendered some 3D guns in there and put that information in there, and then buckles and shells. And since the shell they can't be plastic anymore, I kind of made them copper, like a metal brass type of thing, very thin. And then I added some more shadows on, and I was kind of done with this process. I kept this character. There's, if you've ever been into a military installation, they have tons of stockpile information. So instead of putting all the camo stuff on there, I figured the old officer's uh, jacket and with some old pants would work, and then I tossed on regular kind of a dated style outfit for the shoes and stuff. So that's kind of the way I went with this character, and that's what I've been working on.